Training your AI used to mean copy-pasting content, and that doesn't scale when your business grows. There's now a much faster way to train your AI. This video covers a new feature in Call Agent AI, the knowledge-based RAG system. First, we'll select our assistant and click on it. Next, scroll down to the Main tab section. In the tabs, you'll see the Knowledge Base section. When you click on it, you'll find two options. The first option is FAQs, Frequently Asked Questions, where you can manually add question and answer pairs. This is useful when you already know the specific questions your customers frequently ask. The second option is Company Docs, which is the new feature we're focusing on in this video. Company Docs allows you to upload business documents such as PDFs, Word files, and text files. Now let's take a closer look at Company Docs. This feature lets you upload your company documents so the AI can answer questions using your own business information. To upload a document, you can either drag and drop the file into the upload area or click the Select Files button. I'll upload a sample document now. As you can see, the document is in the processing stage. The yellow processing status means the system is extracting text from the file, splitting it into smaller chunks, converting those chunks into searchable embeddings, and storing them in the database. Once processing is complete, the status changes to green. You'll now see the document marked as ready, which means the AI can use it to answer customer questions during calls. You can also view the document content by clicking the View icon. From here, you can review the full content. If you no longer need a document, you can delete it at any time. Like I just showed you, setting up your knowledge base like this means real business knowledge without you having to rewrite anything. No formatting, no prompt rewrites, just faster AI training with Call Agent AI. Thank you for watching.